Hello, how are you, Nichamos TV followers? I'm very happy to find you here as always. So, welcome in today's lesson where we are going to just to learn content or helpful lesson. So today, just we are going to learn the type. Just how do we call words? Those are words which sound the same but different in meaning and spelling. Those are words in English we have type of words and those words they sound the same. Mm. Hari amagambo mu cyongereza tugira avugwa kimwe iyo uvuze rimwe n'undi akavuga irindi uba wumva bavuze ibintu bimwe ariko amagambo akaba afite itandukaniro mu busobanuro ndetse n'imyandikire. Ayo magambo yandikwa mu buryo butandukanye. Those words are called homophones. Homophones are words which sound the same, which sound like, but they have very different in meaning and spellings. When we come to mean spellings, is the way those words are written. Uburyo amagambo yanditse ndetse n'igisobanuro cyabyo biba bitandukanye cyane, ariko imivugirwe yo cyangwa uburyo tuyavuga bwo mu buryo bumwe. Let's take some examples. Reka turebe ingero zimwe na zimwe. The first example, when you take the word sun. Sun, nivuga sun abantu benshi mata mwumva izuba. Ariko undi nawe ashobora kuvuga ngo Kalisa's son is very intelligent. Umuhungu son nayo gakoreshwa usobanura umuhungu w'umuntu runaka. Son, you can say my son, your son. But can you say the sun is shining. The sun, ubukigega byabaye izuba. Urumva ayo magambo abiri sun and sun, rimwe rivuga izuba ariko irindi rikavuga umuhungu w'umuntu runaka. But they are the same when you pronounce them. Iyo yavuze ntabwo umuntu yakumva niba amagambo ashobora kuba atandukanye. The next example, let's take the word one. Say, oh, I have one pen. This is one pen, one pen. And the next word is verb to win, which is in past. Ifashe ijambo one, munashaka kumva iri ngiri cyangwa se ngo rimwe, ikaramu imwe, one pen. Ariko nanone dufite irindi jambo iyo dufashe inshinga ivuga gutsinda tugashyira mu gihe cyashize simple past, byari to win bihita binduka one. Yesterday our team won the match. Ejo ikipe yacu yatsinze umukino. One, ubwo icyo gihe biba birahinduka, but the pronunciation cyangwa se uburyo amagambo avugwa the same. One pen, one match. Let's see the other example. Let's take the word meat. Niza kuvuga meat, abantu benshi baza kumva mvuze inyama wenda. Meat, the type of food. No, but there is another word which sound like this word, verb to meet. Ivuga guhura, iyo abantu babiri bahuye. When I meet my friend, iyo muhuye n'inshuti zanjye. When I meet my friends, to meet. Ariko ushobora ngo when we eat meat, we feel better. Iyo turiye inyama twumva tuguwe neza. Meat. The word meat, which is type of food, and you have another word which is verb to meet, but the pronunciation, those words sound the same. Ayo magambo avugwa kimwe ariko agatandukanira mu busobanuro cyangwa se no mu buryo yanditse. Let's take another example. We have so many examples, and I want you just to write some examples, in the comments. Go muri comment section, nangize nawe twandikire izindi ngero z'amagambo wumva ari homophones cyangwa se avugwa kimwe ariko akaba atandukanye mu bisobanuro ndetse no mu myandikire. The next word, let's take verb to the word sell bivuga akagari. Nivuga sell uravuga akagari. Sell, ariko there is another verb which is to sell bivuga kugurisha. To sell, those words binandiko bitandukanye like sell, cell, ariko iyo ni sell y'akagari, ariko nituza muri yo kugurisha verb to sell iraba ari sell. Kumva ko the spelling is very different and but the pronunciation is the same. We have so many examples. Let's take the last examples, and I want you just to come in the comment section and you write uh, other examples you think the words which sound the same but different in meaning. The last example, let's take the word hour. Hour, 1 hour, like 1 hour, 2 hours. Iyo bije mu gihe isaha imwe, 1 hour. It takes me 1 hour to reach my work place. Bintwara isaha imwe kugira ngo ngeze ku kazi. 1 hour. Ariko there is another word which is pronoun like our. Say our country. Our country. Igihugu cyacu. Our country. Iyo our and that our for a period of time, and you have our which is pronoun. Urumva ko ayo magambo yose avugwa kimwe ariko ntabwo asobanura kimwe. So we can have so many words like peace and peace. We can have pray and pray. We can have hymn and hymn. Hymn just for songs. Hymn. Iyi ndirimbo tukagira na hymn nayo iri pronoun like hymn. Can have even the word like buy, verb to buy. You buy something, buy, and you have the word buy, brick. So the words are so many, and I want you to come in comments and you write other type or other examples you already know. Ndagushimiye cyane wabanyanye muri iri somo rikaba rigeze ku musozo, ndakwinjiza kugira ngo ukore subscribe ndetse niba ukunze rino somo urisangize bagenzi bawe. Thank you so much. Imana ibarinde. Bye bye.